Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you're looking for a quick cash loan, I'm going to tell you some of the best places you want to start out with. The first one is PenFed Credit Union. Now, as you can see here, PenFed Credit Union offers personal loans up to $50,000 for 5 years, okay? And the interest rate is 8.99. But one of the things about it that most people are not aware about PenFed personal loans is majority of the time you don't need to show proof of documentation. Okay, that's one of the best things about it. Also, with PenFed, they use Experian FICO 9 for their personal loans. Like with their credit cards, it's Equifax FICO 9, but with the personal loans, it's Experian FICO 9. All right, and with FICO 9 scores, I always tell you that's a low hanging fruit. So that's the first one. The next lender we're talking about is Max Personal Loans. Now, here's the thing about it with Max Personal Loans, they go anywhere from 2,600 up to 50,000. Now, what's so unique about Max Personal Loans? As you can see here, guaranteed instant approval quick loans. Poor credit, no credit, accepted. Flexible and easy loan repayments, fast cash modifying 24 hours. Now, this company is a tribal lender. Okay. So, what that means is that they're not governed by the federal government, so their interest rates may be much higher. However, one of the best things about it, they're not focused on the personal credit itself. They're focused on if you have the availability to pay the loan back. All right. So that's the reason that I like them. So, like, here's the criteria: have an active bank account, proof of income, proof of age, valid ID, right? Can I get a loan with bad credit? Like I was showing you. Yes, you can get a loan with bad credit. All right. Now, that's the thing about it that I really like, up to $50,000. But one of the better things about it, granted, this here's loan is not in every state. This lender doesn't offer loans in every state, but at the same time, this here will show you exactly what states they actually offer a loan to, right? So as you can see here, it actually goes into what states that they actually offer a loan to. So now you have an idea. That way you're not wasting your time trying to apply for a loan that may not applicable to your situation. Okay. But the thing about it, I like them because they are much easier to get approved for. Now, our next lender is One Main. Now, many of us are familiar with One Main and we know about their personal loan. Think about it, their loans go from 1,500 up to 20,000. Now, here's the thing about it. When you're trying to get a $20,000 loan, most of the time they want you to have some type of collateral. Like they may want you to have like a title loan, right? So that's the thing that turns people off. But at the same time, they are very flexible. In One Main, they actually pull TransUnion as well. When I was talking about the title loans, here's a lender that you definitely want to take a look at. This is Yendo. Okay, so what it is with Yendo, they offer you up to $10,000. So if you have a car with equity in it, even if you're making payments on that car, they will still give you a loan. All right. Now, some people have certain questions about their title. What's the difference with a title loan? Title loans are expensive, inconvenience, don't build credit. Okay. So with them, they use Experian. All right. So they'll help build your credit with this here type of loan. All right. So that's the good part about this. And the thing about it, like I said, it's up to $10,000. Will it affect the ownership of my car? No, even though we become a lien holder on your title, your car remains in your possession and will remain listed as the owner. Once you close your account, the lien is removed and the DMV sends the title to you. Okay? So that's the thing about it. You're not losing ownership of your car. Your next lender is Avant. Now, here's the thing about it with Avant. You can see here they offer loans from 2,000 up to 35,000. Now, the thing about it with Avant is that they usually want you to have about a 580 credit score. Okay, that's the thing about it. 580. One of the nicer things, they use Advantage 3 TransUnion in order to take a look at your credit. Here's the thing about it that most people don't know about these type of lenders that don't do a hard pull on the credit, and it's this: they're not going to pull directly from TransUnion Experian, like PenFed, yes, but some of these third party lenders, they're not going to do that. They're going to use lenders. They're going to use credit bureaus like, so this is Teletrack. Okay, so Teletrack, which is owned by Equifax. All right, so if you've taking out a personal loan online and stuff, it collects that data. And so different institutions, they will use this here data to determine if they want to give you a loan or not. So you have Teletrack, you have Factor Trust, which is owned by TransUnion, that picks up this financial data as well. You also have Data X, which is another Equifax company that has your financial information. Then you also have Clarity, okay, Clarity Services, which is owned by Experian. So these are your top financial credit bureaus that picks up all of your financial information and they share it with these third party lenders. All right. Now, let's talk about net credit. Now, here's the thing about it with net credit. Again, they're another one of these institutions. You can do a pre-qualify. As you can see here, you can actually do a pre-qualify and it won't affect the credit score. But what happens once you actually accept the loan, that's when they do the hard pull. Now, the thing about it with net credit, they offer loans from 10,000 for the personal loans, and then they also offer lines of credit up to 4,500, right? And I always tell people I would go for the line of credit. The reason is because they only charge you interest on what you actually borrow. That being said, say that you are an entrepreneur, you're in the gig economy, then you want to look at Giggle Finance. All right, so they loan, as you can see here, up to $5,000, and the type of companies that they actually loan to, so that you can actually see it. Like I said, no credit required. So you don't even have to have any credit. It has nothing to do with the credit. And they give it instant cash available through debit card or transfer. As you can see here, you can be a Uber, Lyft, rideshare, handyman, TaskRabbit. You can be truckers, taxi, salon. So you have multiple things. Even like if you're in the SD or MLMs, they will actually loan you money. So that's the great part about these here lenders. All right. Let's talk about this last one as a freelancer. All right. Gig worker. This is Lendeska. Now they loan up to $20,000. This is a platform. All right. And their loans go up to 18 months. The lowest is 20% on the loan. But again, when you are a 1099 worker and you're self employed and you can't get a loan from your bank, they have advance payments up to $5,000 for freelance workers when you have real bad credit. All right. So when you're freelance worker, 1099, self-employed individual, small business owners. But again, it goes up to 20,000. Now, here's the thing about it. Average annual income should be about 2,500. All right. So at 2,500, $2,100 a month or something like that, then you have a 550 credit score. All right. So that's what I mean. It doesn't matter. And you have to show proof you've been in business for at least 3 months. So these are the lenders that you actually want to try to get a qualification for. All right. Now, for those of you that may have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.